You think you're doing everything right, changing oil on time, washing your car regularly, using premium fuel because it's better, right? Well, what if I told you that some of the things you believe about car maintenance are not only wrong, they're draining your wallet faster than your fuel tank on a road trip? Yep, there are car maintenance myths that millions of drivers still fall for every single day, and they're silently costing them thousands in repairs, wasted fuel, and unnecessary service. So today we're busting them one by one, and trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see your car in a completely different way. Why these myths exist? Here's the truth. Most car myths started decades ago, when cars were simpler, engines were less advanced, and maintenance really was guesswork. But technology evolved, and those old school tips never died. They've just been passed down like family recipes, except these ones burn your cash instead of calories. So if you've ever been told something by your uncle, your mechanic, or that one car guy on Facebook and it sounded a little off, you're about to find out why. Let's get started. Myth number 1. Premium fuel makes your car run better. This one is the king of wallet drainers. Every time you pull up to the pump and see premium, your brain whispers, "Go on, your car deserves it." It sounds like an upgrade, right? Higher number, higher quality. But that's exactly what marketing wants you to believe. Here's the truth. Premium fuel doesn't make your engine cleaner, faster, or more powerful unless it was specifically built to run on it. Cars designed for regular unleaded fuel already have the perfect combustion ratio for it. In fact, using premium when you don't need it can even slightly reduce efficiency because your car's timing isn't optimized for higher octane. So, unless your manual says premium required, not recommended, you're basically paying extra for nothing. That extra 40 cents a gallon, that's just your ego doing the driving, not your engine. Myth number 2. You need to change oil every 3,000 miles. This myth refuses to die even though engines have evolved far beyond the days of carburetors and conventional oils. Back then, oils broke down fast and collected sludge, so 3,000 miles made sense. But today's engines use synthetic lubricants that can easily last 7,500 to 10,000 miles, sometimes even longer. So why do so many drivers still change their oil too soon? Blame outdated advice and quick lube marketing. Shops made billions convincing people that fresh oil equals safe engine. In reality, overchanging doesn't help your car. It wastes oil, money, and time. Every unnecessary change also adds environmental waste. The real rule of thumb? Follow your owner's manual, not your mechanic's calendar. Modern cars even have oil life monitors built in, so trust the data, not the myth. Your engine doesn't need more frequent oil changes. It needs smarter ones. Myth number 3. Warm up your engine for 10 minutes before driving. Your grandpa did it. Your dad probably did it. But with modern engines, it's not just unnecessary, it's wasteful. In older carbureted engines, warming up helped stabilize the fuel-air mix. But in today's fuel-injected cars, computers automatically adjust that instantly. In fact, idling too long can actually cause damage. Fuel washes down the cylinder walls, diluting oil and increasing wear. The best warm-up? Start the car, wait 30 seconds, and drive gently for the first few minutes. That's it. Your engine and your fuel bill will thank you. Myth number 4. You must change brake fluid. Every oil change. This is another favorite upsell at service shops. Brake fluid doesn't need to be changed anywhere near as often as your oil. Unless your manufacturer specifies otherwise, once every 2 to 3 years is plenty. Yes, brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, but it's a slow process. If your brakes feel firm and you're not seeing contamination, don't waste money changing it prematurely. But, and this is important, if you live in a humid or coastal area, inspect it yearly. Moisture equals corrosion, and that's one myth you don't want to ignore. Myth number 5, you should replace all tires at once. Mechanics love this one. While replacing all 4 tires is ideal for AWD systems, it's not always necessary for FWD or RWD cars. If your other tires are still in good shape and wear levels match closely, you can replace just the worn ones. as long as they're mounted on the correct axle and properly balanced. The real rule? Keep tire tread depth consistent enough that your traction control and ABS don't freak out. Otherwise, that 4-tire rule is often just a way to sell you more rubber than you need. Myth number 6, you must use dealership oil or your warranty is void. This one's a classic scare tactic. Dealerships love to make it sound like your warranty will vanish into thin air if you dare to change your oil anywhere else. But here's the truth, that's completely false, and actually illegal under US law. You have the absolute right to service your car wherever you choose, even in your own garage, as long as you use the correct specification oil and keep your receipts as proof. The law that protects you is the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act, a federal regulation that stops manufacturers from forcing you into overpriced dealership services. So next time they try to scare you into a $200 oil change just for a stamp, smile politely and walk away. Your warranty stays safe, your car stays healthy, and your wallet stays happy. The real premium here isn't the oil, it's knowing your rights. Myth number 7, transmission fluid is lifetime fill. Ah yes, the magical word, lifetime. It sounds reassuring, like you'll never have to think about it again, but let's be real. Lifetime for the manufacturer usually means until the warranty expires. Even the most advanced transmission fluids degrade over time. Heat, friction, and microscopic metal particles slowly wear down the fluid's ability to lubricate and protect. Ignore it long enough, and you'll be looking at harsh shifting, delayed engagement, or a full-blown transmission failure, which can easily cost you thousands. If you truly want your transmission to last a lifetime, replace the fluid every 40,000 to 60,000 miles. It's cheap insurance for one of your car's most expensive components. Remember, fluids are like blood. They keep your car alive. Waiting until the lifetime ends before replacing it is like never changing your body's blood and hoping for the best. Spoiler, it doesn't end well. Myth number 8, a dirty car doesn't hurt anything. Oh, but it does, and more than you think. Leaving your car covered in dirt, salt, and road grime might seem harmless, but it's quietly eating away at your vehicle's finish and undercarriage. That layer of dust traps moisture, chemicals, and salt against the paint, which leads to oxidation and rust, especially in humid or snowy climates. Over time, that can weaken panels and cost thousands in repainting or bodywork. And while we're at it, those rough-bristled automatic washes, they're like sandpaper on your paint. The better option, hand wash or touchless wash, followed by a wax or ceramic coating every few months for lasting protection. A clean car isn't just for looks, it's a barrier against corrosion. Think of it as sunscreen for your vehicle. Neglect it long enough and your car's value will fade faster than the shine on that neglected hood. Myth number 9, check engine light? Probably just a loose gas cap. This one's the go-to excuse for millions of drivers. And yes, sometimes it is a loose gas cap. But here's the problem, people hear that once and assume it's always the case. That glowing amber light can indicate anything from a minor sensor fault to a major catalytic converter issue. Ignoring it can turn a small fix into a multi-$1,000 repair. The smarter move? Spend $20 on an OBD2 scanner or stop by an auto parts store where they'll scan it for free. Within seconds, you'll know exactly what your car's trying to tell you. Covering the light with tape or pretending it's fine doesn't make the problem disappear, it just hides it until it gets worse. Think of that light as your car's heartbeat monitor. When it flashes, it's not annoying you, it's trying to save itself. Bonus myth. More frequent maintenance equals longer life. This one sounds responsible, but it's deceptive. Over-maintaining, constantly changing fluids, filters, and parts just to be safe can backfire. You're not helping your car, you're just wasting money and sometimes even stressing components unnecessarily. Modern vehicles are designed for precise maintenance intervals. Too early or too often doesn't make your car last longer, it just makes your wallet lighter. Stick to your owner's manual. That's the voice of your car's engineers, not the voice of your local service advisor's commission. Why do these myths stick around? Simple fear and habit. Fear because nobody wants to be the person who ignored a small thing that became a $5,000 repair. Habit because old rules die hard. But cars today are smarter than ever, filled with sensors, computers, and synthetic materials that didn't exist in the 1980s. That means you can't treat them like your grandpa's pickup. Following old advice in modern cars can cost you thousands in unnecessary maintenance and even reduce performance. So think smart, not traditional. How to break the myth cycle. Read the owner's manual. Seriously, it's the most underrated book you own. Use data, not hearsay. If a fluid has a tested lifespan, follow that, not what the guy at the gas station said. Understand your driving conditions. City driving, off-roading, or extreme weather can change intervals. Keep receipts and logs. Knowing what's been done prevents double paying for recommended services. You don't have to be a mechanic, just an informed driver. The cost of believing myths. Let's add it up. Unnecessary premium fuel, early oil changes, extra brake fluid flushes, lifetime transmission fluid never changed. It's easy to waste hundreds every year and thousands over your car's lifetime. And what's worse, these myths give you a false sense of security, making you think you're caring for your car when you're actually doing the opposite. True car maintenance isn't about doing more, it's about doing smarter. So, forget the myths, follow the facts, and keep your ride running strong, smooth, and efficient for years to come. If you made it this far, congrats. You officially know more about car maintenance than half the internet. So next time someone argues about premium fuel or 3,000-mile oil changes, share this video and save them some money too. And hey, if you learned something new, hit that like button. Subscribe for more myth-busting car wisdom, and drop a comment telling us which myth surprised you the most. Because here on Auto Gear USA, we don't just talk cars, we decode them.